this is Barbara Taffy with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel. I'm going to do this video about UTIs or urinary tract infections, as well as bladder infections, and if things get really worse, they can turn into kidney infections. I'm going to go over a little bit about the symptoms and then most importantly what you can do to treat the pain and eliminate the infection altogether. If you do want to find out more about some future videos, please like and subscribe, and of course share this with anybody that you think it might be helpful for. So usually women are the ones that get the bladder or UTI, bladder infections or UTIs, and it's usually about 75% women, so I'm going to really focus it towards the ladies today. We all know that you could feel bloated, have the urgency to go to the bathroom, and quite honestly it can be very painful. If you've ever had a UTI before, you know it, and when they come back again, I mean there's really not much of a doubt that that's what it is. It's something that you want to take care of as soon as possible, and if you go to a doctor, they can do a culture and find out for sure. And usually what they'll do is recommend antibiotics. And antibiotics are often necessary, and so I'm not going to tell anybody not to use those. But the home remedies I'm going to go over now are some things that you can do in addition to the antibiotics, or possibly even to do without having to use the antibiotics. So you can just try for yourself, but for me often I'll do anything I can to avoid taking antibiotics, and these home remedies have worked great for me and for several of my friends I've shared it with, so hopefully for you too. So everybody probably has heard that drinking cranberry juice or cranberry tablets help with UTIs, and they do. If you are going to drink a cranberry juice, it's 100% cranberry. So it's very tart, but the ones with sugar, corn syrup, or any of that added in will probably do you more harm than good. I typically mix half pure cranberry juice and half water, and if it's way too bitter for you, go add a little bit of sugar or something, or honey, to make it taste a little bit more palatable. If the fresh juice is not available, you can get cranberry tablets or capsules at any health food store in many places online. I heavily drink water during those times because it will flush out all of the really bad bacteria. So in addition to the two things that most people know about, there's a lot of other things. D-Mannose is something that acts a lot like cranberry juice, and where it prevents the bacteria from adhering to the wall of your bladder, but it is much more stronger, so you can get that in a powder and just mix it with a glass of water. Very easy to use. There's also the good old-fashioned garlic. Now garlic, some people love, some people don't like the taste so much, but it kills a lot of infections, including those in your bladder and kidney. You can do fresh raw garlic, of course, would be the very best. Cook with it very heavily, or what I like to do is take garlic capsules. You can get the kind that are odorless or burp proof if you want, or you can just take them at night, but garlic is great. Probiotics are a must-have, especially if you're taking antibiotics. But if you do take probiotics, take it several hours away from the antibiotics, and taking those a few times a day will really help with keeping the good healthy bacteria in your system, which antibiotics are going to wipe out. There's a particular supplement that I like to take. It's called Kidney Blend. It's by Solaray. It's Kidney Blend SP6, and it just has a lot of the nutrition in it that all of them are good for your urinary tract. I swear by this, but there's a lot of other supplements out there that have similar ingredients, or you can take them separately. So for this one, corn silk and parsley are two of the top ingredients. You can eat parsley, take parsley capsules or tablets as well. It has uva ursi, and that is a diuretic, so it's going to help flush out water and the bad bacteria. Also, it has cayenne, juniper, kelp, and short buchu. This combination works really great, and even though I haven't really studied much about the homeopathic ingredients, it does contain some, and that might help as well. Kelp is one of my favorites. Kelp helps flush out your system and just cure that. Aloe vera juice is excellent for clearing out your system. I drink some of that a couple times a day. Vinegar, apple cider vinegar specifically, you can mix with maybe 25% vinegar, 75% water, and that's going to kill off and any of the bad bacteria and cleanse your system. There's a lot of other things. Cayenne is good to add to your system. It'll kind of just give your immune system a jump start. Coconut oil is great for any kind of bacteria and infection. And some of the other things that you can try, and I'm going to put a link below, but you can do some Reiki points to help with the bladder infection. I will put a link below, but just outside of your right pinky toe, if you push it towards the bottom of it for 1 minute, that really is supposed to help. Also, there's Reiki, there's EFT tapping videos, and also some subliminal videos. So I've tried all of these, and they really do seem to help. I'm gonna put the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Barbara Taffy with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel.